Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag for the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. This product is linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. This is where your vacuum bag is stored, so this is what we got to remove to get access to change the vacuum bag. So we have 3 tabs at the bottom here, so this just kind of pulls out towards you. And you'll notice we have 3 more up at the top that press in, but there's those 3 tabs at the bottom, and that reveals our already installed vacuum bag. Now from here, it's as simple as grabbing this black piece right here and pulling it up and out of the way to remove your old vacuum bag that's full of debris, and then disposing of it, and then grabbing your new clean vacuum bag and repeating the same process. You're gonna line up the tabs here. There's a little channel that they go in, and then it just presses right in place, and then you press this in, and there you go. Simple and straightforward. And then make sure you have the 3 tabs at the bottom here lined up right there. So put those in place, and then you just gently press the top cover in, and that's it. Simple and straightforward to change the dust bag for the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra.